Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I have a little unboxing for you. I got my Elle Studio kit, so I'm just going to quickly, this is my first time opening it, so I will open with you guys. A little unboxing here of my current kit. I didn't order anything extra, so I didn't bundle anything with this kit. So I'm just going to show you real quick what the kit looks like. This is October's kit, 2024 kit. So here are let me take apart the die cut sheet, and then 4x6s, and then 3x4s. Okay, so here is the die cut set, and I love the different darker colors, I guess I should say, with the dark purples or maroons and the yellows and the dark greens. This one's 2 currently tabs, the splendor of the season, there's nothing better than this, one of my favorite photos, and lots of labels. I love this candy corn little label here and some stars. Second sheet here has fall fun, together, documented. I love this moon and stars, pumpkin season, cooler days are here, and I love this tag. So really cute die cuts here. I'm going to show you the next. These are the 4x6s, the 3 4x6s, 2 Polaroids with some journaling spots at the bottom. I love that. And then this one, it kind of looks like a border around a postcard kind of a thing. It says official use only. I like that, and the orange. And then this grateful card, I love that. You could use that this way or this way, I guess. But yeah, I love that nice green. So here's the 4x6s, and now to show you the 3x4s, which is what I primarily use for my project life. So they have this nice moon and stars, notes from this week. I like how it's like a week in review. I love these pumpkins for journaling, here for the candy and fun. Got this cute little grid card. I like that this looks like a little checklist. Good eats. I love when they add cards like that. Here's a cute star card. I love this one. It reminds me of like those painter chips, those cards where you get like samples for your paints. Kind of reminds me of that. Figure 1, 2, and 3. This would be perfect for my Thursday 3. I love this one of all the pumpkins and gourds. Perfect for the season. Another journaling card. This is a cute one, a bingo card. I like that. You could probably just put in some little enamel dots, or like maybe some flat jewels. That'd be cute. Here's this cute green one. Another cute journaling card. Home Sweet Home. I love that it has a little house. Autumn Fun. You can also put your pictures in there. You can cut them and use them as frames. That's cute. I love this dark, deep red, maroon. Thankful for this. And another sweet spot here for journaling. So you can add your stamps here, or like you can add like maybe like a pumpkin, a witch, or a little ghost. Talk about Halloween, something like that, or add numbers. So that is the October kit from Elle Studio. I'll try to link that in the description so you guys can go check it out. If you're not subscribed, you can subscribe to their monthly kit. All right, this is all for me today. So I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.